Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to descale your DeLonghi Magnifica machine. Descaling the appearance when this LED on the panel flashes, as you can see. Important, this scaler contains acids which may irritate the skin and eyes. It is vital to respect the manufacturer's safety warnings given on the descaler pack and the warning relating to the procedure to follow in the event of contact with the skin and eyes. You should use one scar like this with this descaling water or liquid and a scissor. That means all these three components you will need to descale your DeLonghi machine. So first step, turn on the machine. And of course, empty the water tank. So there it is. We are going to empty the water tank because we have to get the descaling liquid into the water tank with I think it was 1 liter of fresh water. So there it is. Let's have a look. We have all together 1 liter of fresh, delightful water. We are dipping or top up now the water tank with this fresh water. Okay, yeah, there it is. Now it's time for the descaling liquid. As you can see, to open this descaling liquid, we have to use a scissor or a knife, for example, and then cut the descaling liquid into pieces and dip it into the water tank. Take care of your hands, take care of your skin and your eyes, of course. So, pour the descaler diluted with water, with panning the proportions indicator on the descaler pack into the water tank. Place it now. There it is. It is inside the tank and now it's ready to clean your machine from the inside. The only thing we have to do is get the cover back in position on top of our water tank and then dock it back into the machine. Hey, what is with the cover? Man, you've forgotten something. Oh no, he's so stupid. Oh, I told him to use the cover, and he didn't use the cover. This is not important. This is not okay. So get back and take your water tank back out of the machine now. Ah, that's not good. No. Oh yeah, this is terrible. Sorry about this. So cover on top. Now get the water tank back in position. Good job. There it is. Place an empty container with a minimal capacity of 1.5 liters under the hot water spout. Now we have to wait for the LED on the left side of your machine, which contains 1 cup, and the LED with 2 cups. These lights to come on steadily. And then, important, danger of burns. Hot water contains acid flows from the cappuccino maker. Avoid contact with splashes of water, of course. There it is. Now we have the moment to get the machine into the descaling mode. Everything is ready. Everything is inside. The scaling liquid is inside, and everything is ready to use. And now we have to get the machine into the descaling mode. Press the water descaling button and hold it down for at least 5 seconds to confirm that you have added the solution and begin the descaling procedure. The light in the button remains on steadily to indicate that the descaling program has begun. The cup and the double cup and the steam lights flash simultaneously, telling you to turn the steam knob to the 1 position. And of course, coffee cannot be made of it. Now, we are ready to use that machine for descaling mode. Here you can see everything is ready. Yeah. And don't have a look for skin. Prepare yourself and then turn the knob anti-clockwise to the position 1. The descaler liquid or the descaler solution flows out of the cappuccino maker into the underlying container. The descaler program automatically performs a series of rinses and pauses to remove lime scale deposits from inside of the machine. After about 30 minutes, the water tank is empty and the milk jar lights comes on and the cup and double cup and steam lights alternate. Turn the steam knob clockwise as far as it will go to the O position. The appearance is now ready for rinsing through with clean water. Yeah, there it is. That means after 30 minutes, our machine is ready. But there's anything we have to do. That means we have to get fresh water inside of the machine and get a flush out of the liquid. This is important before you can make new delicious water of it. Because you can here see we get 1 liter inside and we only get 0.8 liters out. That means in the machine there are some of the descaling liquid inside, and this we have to get out. So now we get the descaling liquid into the trunk, as you can see, into everything, and then empty the container used to collect the descaler solution and place it empty under the cappuccino machine. Remove the water tank, empty it, and rinse under running water. This is important to get the descaling liquid out of it. You will not drink the descaling water. That is not delicious, really not delicious. So there it is. We are cleaning now the water tank with running water and then fill with clean water and replace it. Easy as you can see. It is only water, fresh water, and you can drink it and you can use it. At the maximum range, you can top it up until you will reach the maximum range for better flow out of the descaling water, of course. Here it is, job's done. Now get back to the machine with the water tank, and of course you have to assemble the water tank cover first, and then you can get back the water tank into position inside your Delonghi machine, of course. So get it back in position. The cup and the double cup and steam lights will flash simultaneously. And then it's time to turn the steam knob a half turn anti-clockwise to the 1 position. Hot water comes out of the spout. And of course, you have to place the empty jar under it, of course. So let's do this. And then we'll turn the steam knob in half rotation to position number 1. And we will get the descaling liquid out of the machine, and after this our machine is nearly ready to use it with new fresh coffee. When the water tank is completely empty, the water light goes out, and the milk cup and double cup and steam lights flashes. Here you can see. Then turn the knob to position O. And of course, fill the water tank again, and the pinions go off automatically. In this case, you can see the steam knob is always on, and you can see the Delonghi Magnifica is not going and have a problem with it. So let's go and get the water tank fill up with new delicious water. This is the old water. This is a descaling water which is coming out of your machine, and we will get new water inside of the water tank. The old one will goes into other areas. Maybe you can have a wash up with this, for example. This maybe works. Now fill up to maximum range the water tank again. Job's done. And this is fresh water for your new delicious descaled water for your new delicious coffee. Now cover on top, get it back in position, and of course do not forget to turn the knob to position O. There it is. Good job, man. And you can see the pinions goes off automatically. To use the pinions, turn it on by pressing the power button again. Oh yeah, and that it is how to descale your Delonghi Magnifica machine. Easy as you can see. Yeah, this is the descaling water. Get it back in the sink. That's enough. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback. And let's go and turn on the machine to look that the descaling LED is off. Descaling you have to perform, I think, 1 until 2 times a year if you have soft water. But if you have a hard water index, you have to perform it, I think, 4 times a year, not a week, okay? That means not so much to do with the descaling mode. But how you can do it, I showed you before. Easy as you can see. Now you can see the machine, the pinions is booting again. New action with your delicious coffee is ready. And you can see the LED for descaling is off. Job's done. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me. Give me positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon, delicious coffee. Soon.